A petition was laid before the House, and that petition centered on the alleged remapping of local government areas in Akwa Ibom State. This action was allegedly conducted within a few days to the exit of the immediate past governor, against all regulations, all requirements, attempting to take the land belonging to the Ijaw nation. Probably our thinking is, with the passage of the Petroleum Industry Act, persons who don't have any bearing with the oil exploration within the state, wanting to seize part of the land so that that will qualify them as host communities. We are not bothered, we are not worried with the fact that the bulk of the resources accruing to Akwa Ibom State is derivable from the oil within the local government areas of the Ijaw nation. EasternObolo, Obolo, and Obolo local government areas are the local government areas that we know that are oil producing. So we have come with the aspirations, the desires, the pains and the cries of our people to say, no, this should not be. Given the Ijaws in Akwa Ibom State could be in the minority in the state, but they deserve the protection of the state. They deserve the protection of the federal government. They deserve the protection of the strong. In democracy, the strong is obligated to protect and defend the weak. We have come crying, please, this should not happen to our people. It is against morality, it is against justice, it is also against the laws of our land. And if anyone takes the law into his hands, definitely that person should be told in clear terms that whatever he or she has done or is attempting to do remains illegal. We will not want to go into the details of litigations or no litigations. Those are issues that will be brought up at the point when the petition will be determined by the committee. But what we have come to do now is to sensitize the world that there is a threat to the livelihood of our people. As we speak, they are invading several communities that belong to the Ijaws in Akwa Ibom State. We also want to call on the security agencies to give protection to the lives and properties of the Ijaws living, residing, and doing business in Akwa Ibom State. The land, the properties of the Ijaws have been shared among several local government areas in Akwa Ibom State. So day are the day. It is the injustice inherent in the system that has divided our people, that has refused to bring us all together in the name of states. So every Ijaw man anywhere remains an Ijaw man. Your father's house and take your property, you will clap for me, I guess. I come to your father's house. I have not taken the property outside the country. I come to your father's house and take your father's property. You will clap for me. No, I am asking you. No, I'm asking you. Okay.